Hi, Dav here, and today we have a new episode into Art Review series, and today we'll be checking out the work of SOMUkase. I actually thought I've reviewed this artist in the past, but I guess not. So, seeing it now, they do have a YouTube channel, so let me just quickly check it out. But so far, just let's just check their feed here. Oh, they have a Hawaiian tablet, a screen display. Looks pretty big, like a 22-inch something. Is that, what is that, Photoshop? Wait. Maybe. It is. A light background? Okay, the brush is kind of like a watercolor texture vibe. Okay, and then some highlights where they, oh. I like it. Oh, it looks like they're Korean. I mean, the shape in the beginning, you ate. You know, I like the terminologies now. You ate, you cooked. Anyway, Saja Boys from the... Oh, it's from the anime, the Demon Hunters, something. Wait, Demon Hunter? No idea. Oh, it's the guy from Demon Hunter. Is it? Kaza theme. Oh yeah, there's a new movie. Oh, interesting. The edge. They have like a watercolor edge turned on. Wait, is that Photoshop? I think it is. It has to be, perhaps. Oh, the textures are getting to me. Look at that. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. They have like a very impressionistic style, so it's an automatic love or support from me. Appreciation. Oh, I think we skipped this guy. Right, watercolor edge. So they're putting in the base sort of shape. Oh, look at that rich texture. Super black. Look at that. It has the grayscale look with some really dark, heavy textured inks added into the end. Oh, Tokyo Revengers? I haven't seen the anime. Who this? I want to see who this. Okay, sketch first. Some base colors, and they're kind of light actually, almost like actual watercolor. It's like a watercolor wash. I guess that's the vibe they're going for. A wash kind of look. A wash but textured look. Oh, whoa, shit. Right? And a part of their style is overlapping different strokes. They hold the pen interesting. They use like 3 fingers. Well, yeah, or 4. Sorry, 3 to like support from the top, and then the ring finger at the bottom. Look at that, not too bad. I like it. Let me see their like YouTube. Oh, so check out their channel. I'm guessing the videos are like almost, maybe they're sped up. Who knows? But they do have a decent amount of paintings. Yeah. So check out the link in their bio on Instagram. I'm gonna link this page again in the description below. But look at that textured look. Very impressionistic. Right? And they don't mind showing the brushstrokes. Like it's a part of their style. You know, we reviewed an artist named ZSJUN something. I would recommend their work as well. Right? Let me just copy it. Yeah, I want to take note of the names. Maybe a bit of ahriii as well. And I'm still trying to think of the Chan chick. I reviewed their work before. Chan something. Oh, it's over. My brain is like, oh, she's hot. Look at that. It's so like raw and just alive. And that's what I like about more impressionistic paintings, where you're trying to give the impression of the thing. That's my understanding of impressionism. It's the energy, which I think is it gets lost the more you detail something, or the more you fully render something out. But at this state, at this level, it's just like it's almost like you're capturing a moment. Even though it's a still image, it feels like there's movement. Oh, it's the Attack on Titan guy. Perhaps it's Eren Yeager. Am I right? Let me just check. I haven't seen the show, but it's probably cool. Peak? Maybe it is. Let me see the video for this guy. So abstractly but with precision to get such beautifully defined piece of art at the end. It is satisfying to watch. And yeah, it's also the process. I think I'm inspired by painters like... It's a watercolor artist named Alvaro Castagnet. Let me just write your name down. As a recommended artist, Alvaro Castagnet. When they paint in watercolor and you just see the actual like video of them being, you know, adding in the strokes, there's like a performance to it. It just looks and feels really good. And I think it's, yeah, the look is great, but the painting of it feels very like engaging. And I think if for someone who's easily bored, maybe try this sort of approach out where you just paint in a raw or render, draw things in a very like crazy, rough kind of way. Even though in the end it's kind of like really, it looks kind of smooth from the from like the afar kind of view, it's actually quite textured, right? Like zooming in. Baby, I like it. Let me just see this. Ooh, cool. I want to see this one too. Yeah, I think we saw like a video of this earlier. There's quite a bit of variety in terms of like hues, right? It's all under the warm kind of side, temperature wise. But you see some purples, some reds, some yellows. Yeah, it's kind of desaturated as well. It's not too like bright or vibrant. Interesting. Her eye has like a patch. Oh my goodness, look at this. Even the eyes, so impressionistic. You see how she's simply standing still, or kind of laying her head in or back in some kind of wall, but it feels energetic. And I think it's because of the strokes. The strokes just help. Look at the watercolor edge there, right? Turned on. Sorry, just drinking my frappuccino, a caramel frappuccino. And then once they have a decent amount of gray values, then they'll add this like really dark, pretty much black kind of textured, heavy. It's not like a wash like watercolor. It's almost like a very thick brush pen. Like it's really heavy. Oh, I like the look. Really cool. Really cool. I think we did see this in like the YouTube channel, perhaps. Oh, I like the hair. Look at that. Oh, kind of reminds me of another artist, brookskim. Oh, it popped up in my head. I think it's Brooks Kim. Interesting. In the background, they do have like a paper texture or some kind of a, yeah. Was it an overlay? Well, it's not just in the background. It's throughout the image. Yeah, the brushstroke is very impressionistic. I like it. I want to see this. Right? It's a little sketch in like look at how gestural those lines are. Very, very loose, very swoopy. Right? It's almost like a water kind of thing. Like very Sumi-y vibes. Oh, look at those black textured, and then you have like some gray washes in between. It looks so rich. Oh, it kind of reminds me of another artist. It starts with AH. Ham? No way, I'm forgetting their name. Ham? It's H. Oh, it's over. I'll just type H. Maybe in the future I'll, you know, when I edit the video, I'll remember who they are. H something. Haban. Whoa! I'm so freaking smart. Haban. Haban. So smart. Oh, it's what's her name again from the Chainsaw Man anime? Reze, perhaps, I think. Yeah, they really captured like the pool scene. Denji-kun. Denji-kun. Alright. Oh, this time they're not starting with lines. It's directly the base like color. Right? Or the shapes. Some grays and ooh. And then they add the lines after. Oh wow, it's super confident. Yeah, besides you can like erase, right? If something is too far or too off, then you can just paint over it or erase it. Ooh, look at that. Not too... Oh, you can see them add some white strokes on top. Instead of erasing, you can just paint on top. So I do like this very direct painterly approach. Oh, this one seems kind of smooth, kind of clean. She has like an ice, like a popsicle. Back, oh, ADHD moment. I want to see this. Here you can see like a... Oh, her tablet isn't that large actually. It's like a 16. Is it? ADHD moment. I'm not sure what's the... Oh, she's working on multiple files. You know, I've heard or I've seen some artists do that. I'm guessing it's because it helps them stay productive. Like if they're so bored, like if they're easily bored, then they just move on to a different image. And that way they're always working on, like they're always moving forward, but it's just with multiple pieces. Like it's better than nothing. Because if we're not the kind of person who can sit through like one image, then this may be a nice approach for you. Oh, I know that guy. He's from the fighting. It's a recent anime. It's a fighting anime. Like a punching, kicking kind of. Oh, and now she's playing games. What is that like a Steam Deck? I think it's a Steam something deck. I'm not sure what it is, but. Photo. Yeah, Photoshop in grayscale or in the light kind of theme. It can work, but my eyes may suffer. But maybe I just haven't tried it enough. I used to do this. I work on 3 to 5 files at one time. Now I'm on iPad. Can't do that anymore. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean that. I don't know one style and I want to keep drawing different things. So if I try, I don't practice it. So I have a habit of drawing something else because it's not good. I get it. I get it. Some of you get it. Yeah, I want to see this. Oh. Oh, it's not a video, but I like the... Oh, it's the Attack on Titan guy. Oh, it's the blondie at the bottom. And the short king, I believe. Levi? I think... Or Levi? Forgot this guy's name. Again, I haven't seen the anime, but I've seen so many clips. Especially that one scene where they were charging towards this, like, I think it's called the Beast Titan. And, you know, where this guy at the bottom gives the speech. By the way, both the Japanese and English dub, very inspirational, right? Soldier's rage! And then he got, he got like hit in the abdomen. Dead. Gaomon. Sorry. Let me see this video. Because the inking style is a bit different. It's kind of bold. Oh, very thick, like brush. Oh, look at the inking. Very dynamic. Like it's very sensitive to pen pressure. Looks like it. They're drawing like a chibi. Come on. Who backed up? Chewbacca. Oh, look at that, very cute. Nya ichi-ni-san. Nya arigato. Nya ichi-ni-san. Nya arigato. Okay. Look at those inks. The way, well, if you look at the previous video we saw of the chibi, the ink work doesn't have a lot of texture, very smooth. But here you have, like, they're using a different brush where it has a bit more grit to it. Oh, adding the highlights later on. There you go. I want to see this guy. Oh, okay, they're adding the value beneath. What is this? Oh, Jujutsu Kaisen. Who was the guy with the sword? He used to have like a demon girl. Well, not a demon girl, but a cursed. Apparently, it was his best friend or something, or his lover from Kinder or something. Kind of sad. Oh, from the movie Jujutsu Kaisen 0, I think. Oh yeah, new season's coming out. By the way, I'm not sure when, but they released like a trailer for it. Oh, I think it's from this specific shot is from the last scene of that film. Looks like it anyway. But yeah, there's more to see in their Oh, it's the guy from Howl's Moving Castle. I used to not like it when I was a kid. I used to not really. Oh, I wasn't that much into it, but growing older, I do see the value of it. By the way, the English dub, this guy, he was voiced by. I forgot the guys. He played Batman. Like you often see his face in like memes as like a based kind of guy or a based man or something. Or for looks maxing sometimes. I don't know. I'm forgetting the name, but I do like his voice. It really fits. Oh, it's from the Kaiju number 8. Oh. Nice. Now the brushwork here for the lines, it's kind of sketchy, almost like a charcoal pencil was used, and then they combined it with like a watercolor wash look for like the skin, for for the rendering. Okay. But remember, this person has a YouTube channel, so you can check that out as well. And yeah, I'm gonna link this page in the description below. Check out SOMUkase, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.